Hi guys, I'm Rachel Lynn for Queen Bee of Honeydews, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to convert your base cabinets into pull-out drawers with some simple inserts. Okay, so the drawer inserts that I'm installing today are stainless steel bottom mount, and they are the easiest drawer inserts that I have yet to find. It took me literally 5 minutes to complete each cabinet. I'm installing these into the base cabinets of my mother-in-law's kitchen because, like many out there, she stores a lot of her food and dishes in her bottom cabinets. And as you can imagine, it's very difficult to get the food out of the back. You kind of have to take everything out just to find that one can of green beans. So I'm doing this to help her out. She purchased these and I'm doing the install. The glides for these drawers come as one single unit, and to begin this project I'm just making sure that it's centered along the shelf. Once I'm satisfied with the placement of the glides, I will drill 4 pilot holes through the screw openings, and then I will begin to insert the 4 screws that came with the kit. I will not tighten the screws down at this point, but instead will leave them just a little loose so that I can make adjustments once I have all the 4 screws attached. Now I'm just rechecking everything and making any slight adjustments that are needed. And that's just one of the things that I love about this kit. You don't have to be a master craftsman to use it. It's designed for the DIYer. But anyway, once all of the adjustments are made, I'm going to go ahead and tighten down those 4 screws. And then I'm going to remove the rubber guards off of the end of the glides, which, by the way, you should do before you start installing your glide frame. Now, to attach the basket, just set it in place and align the holes with the mounting holes on the tabs that are attached to the glides. Then pull the basket forward, making sure that the glides come out with the basket, and attach the 2 screws to the back of the basket. You'll find that it's easier if you do these back screws first to get everything to line up properly. Then insert the final 2 screws in the front of the basket, and that's it. You now have a drawer. So that was just another simple and easy DIY that anyone can do, including you. If you'd like to see some more projects that I've done on drawers, then head on over to my blog. I'll leave the link down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.